Affective neuroscience is the study of how the brain processes emotion. This field combines neuroscience with the psychological study of personality, emotion, and mood. The term affective neuroscience was coined by neuroscientist Jacques at a time when cognitive neuroscience focused on parts of psychology that did not include emotion, such as attention or memory. Emotions are thought to be related to activity in brain areas that direct our attention, motivate our behavior, and help us make decisions about our environment.
Their work suggests that emotion is related to a group of structures in the center of the brain called the limbic system. The amygdala are involved in detecting and learning which parts of our surroundings are important and have emotional significance. They are critical for the production of emotion. They are known to be very important for negative emotions, especially fear. The thalamus is involved in combining sensory and motor signals and then sending that information to the cerebral cortex. The thalamus plays an important role in regulating sleep and wakefulness. The hypothalamus is involved in producing a physical response, for example, crying, with an emotion. The hypothalamus is also used in reward circuits which are associated with positive emotions. The hippocampus is a structure that is mainly involved in memory. It works to make new memories and also connects senses such as visual input, smell or sound to memories. The hippocampus allows long-term memories to be stored and retrieves them when necessary. The fornix is the main connection between the hippocampus to the mammillary bodies. It is important for spatial memory functions, episodic memory and executive functions. Mammillary bodies are important for recollective memory. They are found by the brainstem and cerebrum. The olfactory bulbs are the first cranial nerves. They are involved in smell, olfaction, and memory that is connected with specific smells. The cingulate gyrus is located above the corpus callosum. The parts of the cingulate gyrus have different functions and are involved with affect, visceromotor control, response selection, skeletomotor control, visuospatial processing, and in memory access. The anterior cingulate cortex is important for conscious, subjective emotional awareness as well as motivation. The subgenual cingulate is more active during both experimentally induced sadness and during depressive episodes. Research has shown the limbic system is directly related to emotion, but there are other brain areas and structures that are important for producing and processing emotion. Basal ganglia are groups of nuclei found on either side of the thalamus. Basal ganglia play an important role in motivation, action selection and reward learning. The orbitofrontal cortex is involved in decision making and helping us understand how emotions have influenced our decision making. The prefrontal cortex is the front of the brain, behind the forehead and above the eyes. It plays a role in regulating emotion and behavior by anticipating consequences. The prefrontal cortex also plays an important role in delayed gratification by maintaining emotions over time and organizing behavior towards specific goals. The ventromedial prefrontal cortex, VMPFC, is a portion of the prefrontal cortex that has shown to have a significant influence on emotion regulation. Through studies, the VMPFC has shown high activation when presented with highly emotional stimuli. This suggests that this portion of the brain is essential for high emotional arousal. The ventral striatum is a group of structures thought to play a role in emotion and behavior. An area of the ventral striatum known as the nucleus accumbens is involved in the experience of pleasure. It is common for individuals with addictions to exhibit increased activity in this area when they are exposed to the object of their addiction. Insula, this area of the brain plays a significant role in bodily emotions due to its connections to other neural structures that control automatic functions such as heart rate, breathing, and digestion. The insula is also implicated in empathy and awareness of emotion. Cerebellum has many uses, has a very important role in emotion perception and emotion attribution. Cerebellar dysfunction has been shown to decrease positive emotions during lesion studies.